Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Rogue be like. A rogue is a clever, quick thinking, and resourceful character who enjoys solving problems in creative ways. In many games and fantasy stories, rogues rely on agility, stealth, and strategy instead of brute strength. 1. Why use the front door? Reason, roaches love finding creative shortcuts. 2. Stealth mode activated. Reason, quiet movement helps avoid attention. 3. I came prepared. Reason, a good plan makes adventures easier. 4. Speed beats standing still. Reason, agility is one of rogue's greatest strength. 5. Treasure first, celebrate later. Reason, staying focused helps complete the mission. 6. I saw that hidden path. Reason, roaches pay attention to small details. 7. One careful step at a time. Reason, patience helps avoid mistakes. 8. Surprise. Reason, good timing can catch others off guard. 9. Every mission is a puzzle. Reason, rogue enjoy solving challenges. 10. Plan A and Plan B. True say. Reason, having a backup plan is always helpful. 11. Adventure found me again. Reason, exciting journeys seem to follow rogues. 12. Stay calm and think. Reason, smart choices solve problems faster. 13. Light backpack, fast feel. Reason, traveling light makes moving easier. 14. I notice the tiny clue. Reason, sharp observation is a valuable skill. 15. Quiet confidence wins. Reason, actions often speak louder than words. 16. Let's take the scenic shortcut. Reason, roaches enjoy exploring new routes. 17. Every corner hides a surprise. Reason, curiosity leads to discoveries. 18. No panic, only planning. Reason, staying cool helps in tricky situations. 19. Quick reflexes save the day. Reason, fast reactions can make a big difference. 20. The map says one way, I find another. Reason, creative thinking opens new possibilities. 21. Mission complete without making a fuss. Reason, quiet success is still success. 22. Time is everything. Reason, acting at the right moment is important. 23. Practice makes smoother moves. Reason, skills improve with experience. 24. Let's outsmart the challenge. Reason, intelligence is a powerful tool. 25. Every mistake is a lesson. Reason, learning helps you grow stronger. 26. Eyes open, ears are ready. Reason, awareness keeps you prepared. 27. The best tool is a clever idea. Reason, creativity often solves difficult problems. 28. Adventure accepted. Reason, new experiences make life exciting.